often the performance of the Snapdragon 765G is equated with that of the Snapdragon 845, the flagship Snapdragon from 2018. The question is that true? Well, we're going to look at that today by testing the OnePlus Nord with the 765G against the Galaxy Note 9. Which one do you think is going to win? Well, let's find out. So we have the OnePlus Nord with the Snapdragon 765G on the left-hand side. We have the Galaxy Note 9 with the Snapdragon 845 on the right-hand side. Of course, the Note 9, the flagship device from 2018 with the flagship processor from 2018. How does that compare with a good upper mid-range device of 2020? And as I'm saying that, we are already into the JSON test. Worth noting that both devices are in 1080p, and a little bit of a lead there, a little bit of a lead by the OnePlus Nord. Did you see that? It was the first into the compression test. That's not what I was expecting at this point. This could be very interesting if the Snapdragon 765G is actually able to beat the Galaxy Note 9. Both devices are now, and again, still into the 16th thread. As I was about to say, they were doing the zipping up and unzipping, but already the OnePlus Nord is into the 16th thread test and well into the 16th thread test when the Galaxy Note 9 joined the race. So it's doing quite well as well. Look at that. Look at the difference in the pattern. That always makes me interested. Look, some of those tasks finish first, but then the others catch up. But there we go. The OnePlus Nord is still in the lead at this point. It's the first into the blur test, which is the beginning of the mixed CPU GPU part of this test run. Now in a moment we're going to have the smoke particle test. That's going to be an interesting test to see what the frame rate is for 2D graphics. 2D graphics between these two devices. Both of them are now into the infinite scrolling list. The lead still being maintained by the OnePlus Nord at this point. And up comes now the smoke particle test on the left hand side. What's the frame rate going to be as the smoke particle test starts on the right hand side? 19 frames a second there for the OnePlus Nord with the Snapdragon 765G as it now goes into the Unity test. On the right hand side, 14 frames a second. So quite a difference there in the 2D graphics performance as the OnePlus Nord is ahead now in this race. It's into the Unity test, not even starting it on the right hand side. There we go. It's just started now on the Galaxy Note 9, and already this lead is being maintained by the OnePlus Nord. The question is, can it keep it? Will there be a difference? Because we're looking here at the Adreno 620 on the left and the Adreno 630 on the right. Will it make a difference? Well, in fact, look at that. We're getting to the end of the channel. Oh, we're into the Unreal test. It's absolutely amazing. But now the Note 9 is also just starting the Unreal test. What's going to happen as we go through this complicated scene? Will the Note 9 be able to pull it out? Will it be a no? So look at that. Look at the speed. Look at the speed on the right side. They're definitely faster. What does that mean? Is one of them going to get there first? Come on, which one's it going to be? Come on, is it left? Is it right? Is it left? Is it right? Who's going to get there first? Oh, I don't know which one it's going to be. Come on. There we go. The Note 9, 2 minutes 18.1. And now on the left, there you go, 2 minutes 21.3. Okay, let's break down those scores and see exactly what happened. So it's all there, a thrilling end there, right to the very last moment. The Galaxy Note 9 won with 2 minutes 18.1, and then 3.2 seconds later came in the OnePlus Nord, 2 minutes 21.3. So what happened? CPU 57.5 versus 1 minute 0.6 for the Galaxy Note 9. So the winner there was the OnePlus Nord by 3.1 seconds. The same situation we get into the mix, CPU, GPU, 30 seconds on the nose compared to 34.1, so a 4.1 second lead there by the Nord. But it all changed when we got into the GPU. 53.8 for the OnePlus Nord and then 43.3, so 10 seconds, almost 10.5 seconds difference there, and that meant that the Galaxy Note 9 was able to catch up for the losses in the CPU and the mix, and therefore it won overall 2 minutes 18.1. My name is Gary Sims, this is SpeedTest G. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Can I suggest, if you've got questions about the way these tests work, do refer to the FAQ, because there are lots of frequently asked questions that people often write in the comments, and really I've answered many of them many times in the comments and in the FAQ. And if you like these kind of videos, then why not stick around by subscribing to the channel? Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.